Red Circle. Welcome to Nature and Health, your channel that is committed to bringing you effective information on health and wellness care. Today we will discuss a special topic that interests you: acne. 4 home remedies to stop acne spread. They work. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive more information. Here I give you valuable information to prevent further development of pimples and acne in your body. Remedies to stop the spread of acne. They work. Knowing how to control acne is one of the concerns of many teens, although it can also affect adults. This problem is caused by changes in hormone levels and can appear in different areas of the body. It occurs most often on the face, back, and shoulders. Clearly, the most serious problems are faced by those who suffer from acne on the face, since it is difficult to hide, since the use of makeup on the pimples is not recommended. The good news is that some natural remedies can be support when treating acne patients. We list them below. Acne treatments. There are a number of steps you can take to alleviate and control acne. It is recommended to include skin cleansing routines with mild soaps, as well as applying non-comedogenic or water-based formulas to avoid clogging the pores. Remember that you should never use medications without consulting your doctor. Natural remedies against acne. As a complementary treatment to those recommended by the dermatologist, you can try to apply any of the natural remedies that we recommend below. Due to their properties, these products can improve the appearance of acne. Number 1. Sodium bicarbonate. One of the most popularly known acne remedies is baking soda. This component can contribute to keeping the skin clean and soft, due to its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. However, there is little scientific evidence in this regard, and its prolonged use can irritate the skin or dry it excessively. Take a tablespoon of baking soda and mix it with water to form a firm paste. When ready, apply it exactly to the mud or pimple. Wait 10 minutes, wash with cold water and dry your face very well. If any type of irritation occurs, treatment should be discontinued. Number 2. Lemon. Lemon has also been used for years as a natural acne remedy, thanks to the citric acid it contains, an antibacterial and smoothing component. However, more research is needed to establish the possible efficacy and safety of its long-term application. First, wash the lemon, cut it in half, and apply it to the area where the problem occurs. You can pass it directly while gently squeezing it, or squeeze it and use a cotton ball to apply the juice to the skin. Try to avoid contact with the eyes. You must let it act for 10 minutes. Then wash the skin with warm water and neutral soap. To finish, and in case you do this treatment in the afternoon, apply a good light sunscreen or for oily skin. However, it is recommended that you only do it at night. Number 3. Mint. Peppermint has menthol as its main element, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, so it can be useful as a support when treating acne. A study evaluated in vitro the antimicrobial activity of some plants, including mint, against acne-causing bacteria. Although, in this case, oregano exhibited the strongest antimicrobial effect against acne-causing bacteria. You can make a natural mint infusion or prepare a mixture of mint leaves with warm water. Once ready, you apply it on the acne area and wait 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can use this natural remedy as part of your daily cleaning. Number 4. Honey. In addition to being delicious, honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a good acne remedy. However, although honey can be effective in decreasing bacteria on the skin's surface, if the pore is blocked, it will not be able to penetrate. You have 2 options to use honey. The first is by combining it with lemon and leaving it to work for 15 to 20 minutes and washing with warm water. Meanwhile, the second option is to apply it directly to the pustule you want to remove, cover with cotton and leave it to work overnight. Additional tips for dealing with acne. In addition to the application of medications recommended by the dermatologist or remedies in specific cases, it is advisable to respect these suggestions to avoid the discomfort caused by any skin complication. The application of the above recommendations. Pay attention to the skin of your face. Try to take care of yourself, since our face is the reflection of the person we are. The reflection of your personality and your self-esteem. You are an amazing person. Wow! You came to the very end of this video. Can you do us a favor and subscribe? And activate the bell at the very least. It would be very appreciated from the bottom of our hearts. Also, if it's possible, like, share and comment. Below this video, in the description, I leave you important information that can also help you for the topic we have discussed today. 4 natural acne remedies that work. Thanks very much.